damage is catastrophic. Much of the city's south side is completely level. It is the single deadliest tornado in more than half a century. More than 125 people are killed. Hundreds more are injured.
Oh my God.
Less than a month earlier, another massive tornado outbreak pummels the American South.
Not good, guys.
Oh, wow.
An estimated 300 twisters touched down in just 3 days, more than doubling the largest outbreak in U.S. history.
Oh boy. Well, we have a debris ball being indicated on radar. Extremely dangerous situation.
One of the storms spawns a monstrous EF4 that bears down on Tuscaloosa and the